In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a figure caption in Google Docs. Adding clear, consistent captions to your images is really important, especially if you're working on reports, essays, research papers, or any document where you need to reference figures and visuals. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to add a caption under an image in Google Docs so it stays neatly aligned and easy to edit later. First, open your Google Docs document and insert the image you want to work with. You can do this by going to the Insert menu at the top, choosing Image, and then selecting where the image is coming from, like your computer or Google Drive. Once it appears in your document, click on the image to select it. You'll see blue handles around it when it's selected. Now we want to place a caption directly under that image. One of the cleanest methods is to use a drawing, which lets the image and text behave as a single unit. With the image selected, you can right-click it and choose Cut, or use your standard Cut shortcut. Then go up to the Insert menu, choose Drawing, and then New to open the drawing window. Inside the drawing window, click the image icon and paste or upload the same picture you just cut. Once the image is in the drawing canvas, resize or position it if needed. Next, click the text box icon in the toolbar, then click just below the image and drag out a text box. This is where your figure caption will go. Type your caption inside this text box, something like Figure 1, Sales Growth by Quarter, or whatever best describes your image. You can format the caption text just like normal. Change the font, size, color, and alignment from the toolbar. It's a good idea to keep all your figure captions consistent throughout your document, so choose a style you'll repeat later. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save and Close button. The drawing will now appear in your document as a single object, with the image and caption locked together. You can click it to move it around, resize it, or adjust the text wrapping so it fits nicely with your paragraphs. If you ever need to edit either the image or the caption, simply click on the drawing and choose Edit. That will reopen the drawing window where you can update the text, change the figure number, or swap out the image without having to redo the whole layout.